Good morning everyone. Today we will study about the topic joints in human body from the chapter body movements. The structure of human body is made up of a connective tissue called as bones. Bones together make up the skeleton system of the human body. And this system is not fixed like a brick wall. We can move different parts of our body. So you all may be thinking it that how movement is possible if the bone is hard. Well, it is possible because of the joints between the bones. So the place where two or more than two bones are connected together is known as joint. Joints are connected with the flexible fibrous connective tissue called as ligament. So we can classify joints into two categories, movable joints and immovable joints. So movable joints are the joints that can be moved and the immovable joints are the joints that can't be moved. So there are four types of joints: ball and socket joint, fixed joint, pivotal joint and hinge joint. So we will study each type of joint in detail. So the first type is ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, the rounded part of one bone called as ball is fixed into the cavity of other bone called as socket. This joint allows movement in all the directions in 360-degree angles. The examples of ball and socket joints are shoulder and hip joints. Next is pivotal joint. In this type of joint, a cylindrical bone meets a ring-like structured bone. This setup allows the rotational motion to occur. You will find this type of bone in your neck, wrist or elbow. Next is hinge joint. Let's have a look at your elbow. We can see that our elbow can bend back and forth to 180 degree. So hinge joints are the type of joints that allow the movement in only one direction. Examples of hinge joints are the joints that we see in our knee, toe or in fingers. So the last type of joint is fixed joint. Fixed joint is a type of immovable joint. In this type of joint, bones are joined together and they are not moving. We can see this type of joint in our skull. You can also find this kind of joint in our backbone also. I hope you understood this video very well. Thank you.